Hey Boredom Crafters! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a lantern. The first thing you'll need is paper, a stapler, scissors, some string, and some sticky tack. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is fold the paper in half. I'm going to cut a little strip of paper for the handle for the lantern. And now for the most important part. We have to cut out the strips that are going to make the lantern have a lantern shape. So this is optional. You can use a ruler and a pen to draw the lines that you are going to cut, but I usually like to do this without all these lines. But if you find it easier with these lines, go ahead. Okay, so now fold the paper from the other side and make sure that all the strips are folded too. I like to do this so the lines don't show. All we have to do now is staple. So staple the lantern from up and down. And then we're going to staple on the handle. Okay, so after stapling the handle, you're done with your lantern. But if you want this lantern to look more like the lantern banner I showed you in the beginning of the video, follow these simple instructions. So the first thing we'll do is make the loop. So for the loop, I just made a double knot and I'm going to cut the excess string. And now I'm going to insert this loop into the string. For this lantern banner, I'm only going to add on 3 lanterns, but if you want to have more lanterns on your banner, then make the string longer. And now use some sticky tack to make sure that the lantern stays in place. Okay, so that's how I add my lanterns to my banners. So now you can add on more lanterns to make a larger banner, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching!